Thank you for making me a part of this wonderful event. Am I audible?
Yeah, you were audible, ma'am.
Thank you for your sweet introduction also. And I first of all appreciate Multi Art Academy, which is conducting several service activities. I thought it's only for art and creative work, but from the talk of the girl, I came to know that you have conducted so many other charitable activities and service activities. So I appreciate Multi Arts on the various activities that you are conducting. And Chitra Geetika event is also one of them, perhaps, and with wonderful participation from all over the globe, I'm sure. So I congratulate everybody. I appreciate all of you for taking part in this event with a lot of enthusiasm. When we talk of art, art can be inborn, art can be nurtured while you're growing also. Art is an expression of what we feel inside us. It's a beautiful expression. Art can be explained through several forms. It can be dance, it can be performance arts, it can be creative arts like drawing, painting, and so many such expressions of various forms. You have brought out such various, one of the various forms of art through pencil sketching and through drawing, painting, and I hope there are many more such activities. Definitely, these all start with very small steps. Let me tell you, even my daughter, Ritu Verma, is a natural artist because her father also is an artist. Actually, in the sense, they are all professionals, but art is a hobby for them. And perhaps it is there in her DNA too. I can show some of her father's artwork, which can inspire perhaps some of the audience or winners who are here. See, you can see this is a sketch made by the father of Ritu Verma. I hope it's all clear to you.
Yeah,
clear, ma'am.
it is clear, ma'am.
Similar such sketches have been made right from his childhood. Her father was a very good artist in his school days. And then later on in his profession also, he could not pursue his talent. But then after retirement, he has tried and he has done some of the artwork. Now, I think this has come in her DNA, and Ritu also keeps sketching a lot of pencil art and also paintings. This is Ritu's work, Ritu Verma's work. You can see, I'm not trying to show off, but I'm only trying to motivate and inspire the budding artists who are watching this. This is her pencil sketch. And this she has done during the lockdown. You can see this. Yeah, somebody wants to take a picture perhaps.
Yeah, we'll take it,
show it well, yeah. Yeah, and some of her paintings are also like this, which she has been posting on her Instagram page also. You can see this has, in fact, got a lot of likes.
Wow, beautiful, ma'am.
And when I told her this morning, she has, from her side, gave her good wishes to all the budding artists. And she has given a message that you have to encourage yourselves and keep doing it, keep practicing, because when you practice only, it will make you perfect. So every artist was first an amateur. These are the words of Emerson, Ralph Waldo Emerson. So young ladies and boys and girls and young people out there who have participated, remember that there is an artist in you, and display it and use the talent in various ways in a positive way. And you have also competed with your counterparts from all over the globe. it's a wonderful competition. Participation is important rather than winning a prize. And during this pandemic time, when we are locked down and restricted to our homes, we need a positive way to spend our time, and also we have to take this as an opportunity to bring out the best in us. It can be expressed through service, through art, through writing, through creating good friendships throughout, and in many, many forms. Nothing can stop humanity in doing good work. So continue doing good work. Young people like you all must utilize your potential and skills towards doing positive activities that will mold your personality into a very inspiring one. So all the best to the winners. Once it's time for me to declare them, I shall declare when the organizers tell me. And thank you, Anita, for making me a part of it. And thank you, Veena ji, right? The event organizer. Thank you, Veena, for making me the part of this multi-arts event. I'm really happy to be a part of it. And all the best to you in your future endeavors. Doing good work.
Yeah, thanks a lot for the warm words,
Thank you so
ma'am.
much.
Yeah, thanks a lot for that positive words, ma'am. Whatever the work you've shown us, it's really very motivating because we need to be in a multiple areas. And I would like to thank Ritu Verma Garu for giving the, her own sketches to display over here. Thanks a lot for accepting the invitation, and thanks a lot, Anita Garu, for just giving us the best people in the multi-arts platform.
My pleasure.